Well, I haven't been doing a whole lot out here, but I should have maybe made a video of what I just did. I didn't think about it. Got the spindles off. That. The XI again, 520. Bearings were just froze on there horribly. Anyways, couldn't get any type of puller on it, so had this little deal laying around, but it's kind of warm still. Actually welded this little puller type thing on, welded it right to the bearing. Actually worked fairly decent. And just impacted off pretty much. Broke one time. Whoa. I re-welded it again. It was on there really good. Then this part even, I had to pull this off too even yet. The inner part of it. I wish I would have thought of that in the first place, because I did that to the other one and cut it up a teeny bit. This little dust guard protector. But I got some new bearings. This is an old one. And I think they're still stuck because it said China on it. I don't know if they're just crappy bearings. I can't imagine that, oops, Toro would have put those China bearings on this tractor with the everything else had SKF and Torrington roller bearings. Look, decent name brand bearings. So I'm thinking maybe somebody replaced them already. Anyways, I got new bearings sitting here. 4 of those. Toro wanted, what, I think 18-ish? No, Toro wanted like 40, $1 or $2 for them. And I got them at Motion Industries. They're like $18.50 or something each. There's 4 of them, so $40 from Toro would add up pretty quick. What else did I get? Oh, I got some new tires. I had the old tires pulled off. Turf tires. I bought some new rear tires. Carlisle, or however you say it. Tires for the rear. 2 of those. This one I tried to find another match for it, but I couldn't find one. It was a discontinued. It's called Titan. They only do turf tires, I guess, now. I guess I'll just try and sell it, I guess. Hopefully somebody must be looking for a match. It's a 23 by, what, 10.5 by 12-inch rim. You can see, I was hoping they'd be the same, but they're actually, for being the same size, they're quite a bit different. They're probably a good inch or so higher or shorter than the other ones. These are straight on the Titan. But anyways, that. I'm going to get my rims powder coated gray. And here's the front tires that I ordered from Miller Tire. Got the tri-ribbed. I thought they looked pretty cool. Firestones. There, I just set them here. I think it's gonna look pretty sweet. Boy, do tires add up fast. But I think it'll look pretty sweet. Probably leave my grater blade set up on that one, so I used that a little bit the other day. Works pretty good. I'm gonna need to fabricate, well, I gotta modify that when I get a mill one of these days. Actually, hopefully next week I'll be checking one out, but I don't want to get too excited yet. So, got those bearings off, and then I'm going, well, this huge hole in the muffler ripped out. I don't know if it just wears out or what. I already got it in the vise, but if you shake it around, you can feel the baffles are all loose. Rusted and whatnot. And I'm not going to spend $400 on a new one, so I'll show you how I fix it. Take a grinder here. It's a pretty sweet grinder here. It's a Henry model it is here. I don't know. It's pretty sweet though. I think it's like 0.9 horsepower. Look how good it rolls even, geez. Yeah, I'd recommend this die grinder, Henry. It was kind of on the spendy side, but I don't think I'll ever have to replace it. So I'm gonna get grinding and I'll be back in a few. Pretty sweet. I think it uses a lot of air though. Let's see the main 60-gallon thing. Drops pretty good. Works good though. Probably full enough. Tried out the air dryer too. After 3 years of sitting there, I finally tried out my sandblasting cabinet. Seemed to work pretty good for what it is. I didn't realize how big rims were till you sandblast them. There's a lot of surface area on those guys. But anyways, I just ripped this open quick with that little die grinder. Actually, I haven't pulled it out yet. Let's see what's in there. Crap, looks like I had to cut a little more. Or just this piece. I cut this strap thingy. Cut it. I'll be right back. There. I don't know if these blow out because the baffles break off and just kind of clog it or something or what. But I'm gonna dump this out. Well, dump that out. See in there. I guess I'll just leave that one in there. Seems to be attached. Oh, that's the actual exhaust pipe. I don't really know what the other one did. Just in there to keep the noise up, I guess. 'Cause I don't know. Anyways, cut a big hole in it, dump all the crap out of it. Then I oops, hit the phone the wrong way. Then it's gonna be pretty jerky, I was just thinking, because I walking around with this thing. This was just actually just a scrap piece for free, actually, even too, from a local exhaust shop. I'm just gonna cut a piece off this and tack all the way around the top. Works pretty good. So, well, yeah, it works. So I'm not gonna actually show that because I gotta go in. The wife's gonna be home fairly quick. I gotta go clean a little bit because I told her I was gonna clean the house when she was gone. So I fixed these lights too. Cruise control still doesn't work, but I believe it's the cruise control module. It's like 40 bucks or something for a new one. But I'm gonna get her back together first and worry about that later. Thanks for watching. Clean this up too. I figured I'd do a quick little video. It's been a little while. Thanks for watching.